SQL versus NoSQL. It sounds like a battle, but it's really about choosing the right tool for your data. Let's break down the core differences. First, schema and structure. SQL databases like PostgreSQL or MySQL store data in tables with fixed schemas. You define columns and types up front, and every row follows that structure. NoSQL databases like MongoDB or DynamoDB or schema flexible. Documents can have different fields, key value stores are simple pairs, and graph databases model relationships. SQL queries use the structured query language, while NoSQL databases have their own query methods, from MongoDB's query language to Dynamo's API calls. Next, transactions and scaling. SQL databases enforce ACID transactions, guaranteeing consistency and reliability. NoSQL databases often prioritize availability and partition tolerance, trading strict consistency for better performance under the CAP theorem. SQL typically scales vertically, adding more power to a single server. NoSQL scales horizontally, distributing data across many servers. So when do you use each? SQL shines for structured data that needs strong consistency. Think financial transactions, customer records, inventory systems. If your data fits neatly into tables and you need ACID guarantees, SQL is your choice. NoSQL excels with unstructured or rapidly changing data. Social media feeds, real-time analytics, IoT sensor data, user sessions. If you need massive scale, flexible schemas, or high availability across distributed systems, NoSQL wins. Many modern applications use both, SQL for critical transactional data and NoSQL for caching or analytics. Remember SQL for structured data with ACID guarantees, NoSQL for flexibility and horizontal scale. Master both and you'll choose wisely every time. Keep practicing and you'll nail this question. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.